Good morning, everybody. Today is a beautiful day. There is a tournament here, so I'm going to be playing a little bit later on in the afternoon. Check. So if you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, we won the tournament and had a good time doing it. But overall, we had a fun time. That tournament specifically, I couldn't really edit the vlog too good. Long story short, GoPro will not connect with my iPad anymore for some reason. So I couldn't edit and explain what was going on. So whatever was said was said. Sorry if it was negative, or it's just really hard to edit on that computer. It's over 7 or 6 years old, you know. It's a very old computer, and the processor on it is not meant for high quality video intake. I call it high quality because it's 1080p. I was eating my lunch out here and I thought I'd chit chat a little bit. What do you want? I'm trying to eat lunch. Here's Miss Pete. Say hello. So here's Miss Pete. She's just chilling, just lounging with me. There's Tiger, look at him. He's so sleepy. You a pretty cat, Tiger.
I'm gonna take him home.
He's just laying in the flowers. He's funny. What are you doing, Tiger? So I'm back here again. It's been a few hours. I was working in the clubhouse for a little bit. And it's a nice day. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to go play a few and film some, because I haven't filmed myself much besides the driving range. Yesterday, I have to check that vlog to see if it uploaded. And I'm petting Miss P here. Say hello. Hi. She likes to be petted. You're just so pretty. She don't like to eat as much, but I was going to plant these things just to show you what I'm doing right this second. For a few minutes, plant them and put them in here. I don't know how they're all going to fit, but I'm going to break some of that soil off and stick them in there, and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Okay, so I don't know if I showed my finished project or not, but that doesn't matter. I'm playing golf now, so here we go. It's raining, by the way, so I'm going to deal with the rain and just play. Ball went over here.
I was gonna ask you. So you think whatever here?
Yeah, I saw it go across this cart path.
Of course.
So right when I get out here, of course, those are probably rain clouds, and they'll blow through fast, but I have to keep my cool, and hopefully I can hit this shot before the rain starts. Alright, I hope it don't rain on my camera. That was a good one. That was a real good one. Alright, I gotta check. So I'm gonna head in for a few minutes just while this storm's kind of storming around. It should blow through pretty fast. Those guys behind me are playing NASCAR golf and they're so fast. Gonna go in for a few minutes, then head back out once this thing is going fast, so it should be done in about 20. Before I forget, I thought I would show these. This is what I just did. I got one on sale, one full price. But it has these holes that stick out the sides, and I just slid them in there, and looks pretty nice. So, I'm gonna play in a few seconds. Or I mean, a few seconds. It's still rolling through, so once it gets out, I'll be good to go. Pretty good. I like all three of them. That's where they ended up. I'm not going to bring the camera over there because it's misting, if you can hear it. And water plus electronics equals... Okay, so I had to get a second shot, but I didn't show it because it was sprinkly, but that's where my second shot went. It was a hybrid, so let's see if I can make a putt. I'm going to zoom in. Oh, you got to hit it. That's wet. Healthy. Anyways, that was an interesting hole. Almost had an eagle if I'd hit the ball harder. And it's sprinkling rain. The rain is sprinkling. And the reason I'm not moving is when you move, there's no windshield right here. And what happens is the rain comes in and it gets on my camera bag and stuff. You probably can't see it, but I know you can hear it if I put it up here. Okay. So, this is going to be about it for the filming on today because it's sprinkling, misting, raining. So I'm going to hit a few shots here. And I don't think I can film anymore because it's wet. But I can still play, so I'm going to keep playing.